I'ma keep it short and sweet. DJ play the song on repeat. Odi dance to the beat. Apolipo kamatana feels so sweet. Apolipo kamatana feels so sweet. Short and sweet. DJ play the song on repeat. Odi dance to the beat. Apolipo kamatana feels so sweet. Apolipo kamatana feels so sweet.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Yes. Welcome to my channel. We are at the hub. There's so much going on right now. So, you know, I've been contemplating should I vlog, should I not vlog it?
You wanna do the right thing, you find this too exciting. Your friends tell you to grab me, meaning high risk, throw that shit behind.
My good people, it's been a minute, yeah, but this project is what has been keeping me busy for the last so many weeks, like for the month of July and the month of course, August, and it's still going on. And
One time,
there's just so much work that goes behind it, and I'm so glad to be part of it. I'm not complaining because, you know, the people looking for jobs out here, they're not getting, but it's one of the things that I can say the Urge has been able to do. It's one of our biggest jobs so far since I started this thing called self-employment, guys. So this is the fountain area where you get to taste the chocolate. Those are some people tasting the chocolate. Hold the blaze for 10 seconds.
We still have 20,000
and I'm super happy because I got connected by a friend of mine called Brian. And Brian, if you're watching this, thank you. Thank you so much. And the team that we're working with, of course, is Perfect Solution from South Africa. And we're also working with Tradco from Kenya. And there are just so many things, so many brains that are involved before it even came to place, and I'm super excited to be part of this. So there is my friend who's about to go in. It's a bit tense right now. Yeah, let's look at him. Very tense, by the way. So let's see how it goes. So what happens? You go to the supermarket and then buy chocolate. If you buy 6 of them, you come and go straight to the money blower. But if you buy 2 or less, you come and play some emoji games. So at the end of the day, everyone will get to win something. So that's what's happening. So let me go to the money blower section. You see? So that's
Let's go.
here. So once you get into the maze, inside those packets, they're empty packets, but inside of them there is one with a smiley face, emoji face, which when you get that, you'll be able to win a trolley dash of 10,000 in the supermarket, depending on location. But now for this particular one is Carrefour. So if you don't win, you get a chance to come and select any of the gifts, you see, like now the gift bags, you just select one. Inside them, you'll find several things like what you're seeing on the display right there. You're seeing there's chocolate. Of course, you'll get to live with chocolate and more chocolates, by the way. Like now my friend just won a bag, and I think there's also maybe earphones, sorry. Yeah, so that's it, guys.
It's perfect. Okay, thank you. Hello.
So, this is my friend Dadaski.
Hello guys, how you doing? Nice to meet you.
So Dadaski is visiting Kenya from London, yes.
Indeed.
And they're only here for a few days.
Yes,
and I was supposed to vlog with him, and this is the first time I'm also introducing him to my channel. I'm sure you've seen him in a couple of videos, but yeah, so finally this officially meet Dadaski. Guys, my subscribers, please let us subscribe to Dadaski's diaries, because I know he's doing amazing things, and he travels like all the time, and you guys need to travel with him because it's like an experience.
Thank you. Well, I've been watching Christine Care for a while, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm a big fan. Great channel, lifestyle vlogs, beautiful stuff. So guys, please stay tuned, and I know you love the content because you guys keep subscribing. So it's been a pleasure meeting Christine Care, and she's made Kenya worthwhile for me. I'm not gonna lie to you. So guys,
and guess what? I'll soon be going to London.
By God's grace.
And Nigeria.
Amen.
And so many other places.
Amen.
Yeah,
Wewe
Godfather, man a OG.
What?
I'm a fanboy, man a bossy. Bring a rag a rhythm.
Oh yeah. Okay, you're very happy. Nice, get your style.
Girl, I swear it's in nice. Girl, I swear it's in nice.
Super dancer. Ona sasa.
I'm up to call this.
So guys, we're still at the hub,
Beautiful hub.
and I'm just looking at this view, which is very, very amazing. Thinking of having lunch over here, late lunch that is. But yeah,
People are eating.
and the people were so excited to see this. It's like they were expecting less of Kenya. But yeah.
But it's always good to beat someone's
Oh,
expectation.
you need to meet my other friend.
Hello.
Yeah. Is the cool one, the not loud one. I don't know how. Anyway, it's fine. Let me not talk much because I know someone will kill me. Hey, I know I'm all over, yes, but I'm just back from lunch, so let me do some work before I end this vlog very soon, hopefully. Yeah.
Hello.
Supposed to end this vlog
This
and
is
you
the
want
end
to end it here.
Yes, so this is the end of the vlog.
You need to see my eyes.
There you go. She's not high.
I'm not tired. This is me, like real me. It's a different day. We're on a different location. As you can see, I have different hairstyle, like just my shaggy hair. Yeah. So we are at Greenspan Mall in Donholm. The same activities that happened last week at the hub are the same ones that are gonna happen here today. But I just wanna leave you with these videos. I'm trying to catch up with the dancers. Yes, this is where I get my moves from. Like such places is where I learn new moves. And feel free to join us. And until next time, like for real, kisses. Bye, bye.
Yes.